Hello everyone, I've come up with a new video to teach you how to draw 30 degrees. Let's begin. Draw a straight line around 6 to 8 centimeters long. You can choose the length of the line as you wish. The pointed edge of the compass on one of the end points. Draw a curvature. Now the point where the curvature and the line meets, draw an arch. You've seen in all the previous videos, that is how we make 60 degrees. So 60 degrees sacrosanct too. It is the stepping stone of construction of angles. So this is how we make a 60 degree. From the point where the arch meets the line, you put the tip of the compass over there and create an arch. You create 60 degrees. Now extend that arch on the free area. Now at the point of intersection of the 60 degree arch, create another arch, put another strike on the free area where you put the previous arch. Now this intersection of 60 degree and the point of intersection of your arch and the line, these two points intersect each other, and this intersection is our 30 degrees. When we meet these 2 points, we get our 30 degrees. Now from a free pencil, join the line, point of intersection with B, and you get your 30 degrees.